Yo man! Welcome back to another YouTube video. Pag-uusapan natin dito kung ano ba talaga yung meaning ng tinatawag na high value sa lalaki. Or yung mas tamang term is sexual market value. And why it is the number one factor when it comes to the dating game. So sexual market value or SMV is just a fancy way of saying how much you are worth in the dating and relationship game. I know medyo uncomfortable isipin na bawat tao o bawat lalaki parang merong presyo or value. However, it's real. Okay? This is not to objectify men or women. This is to help men stop being passive, overcome your self-limiting beliefs, and develop the masculine competence and leadership that women find genuinely attractive. Imaginein mo na lang na yung sexual marketplace ay parang malaking palengke where people are trying to trade things they have for things they want. Sa mga bago sa channel ko, I'm Joms and I help men understand the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So gumagawa ako ng videos about those topics. So, before tayo mag-deep dive sa sexual market value, gusto ko lang i-plug. Meron akong on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. Dito malalaman mo on how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological attraction triggers using momentum-based attraction. Kung palagi kang nababasted, nare-reject, nafi-friendzone, or natotorpe, check mo yung link sa description box. Sure ako makakatulong sa'yo yan. Now, balik tayo sa video. I'm going to give you 3 core insights about sexual market value para mas maintindihan mo to mabuti. Okay? At also, para magkaroon ka rin ng leverage pagdating sa dating life mo. Number 1, men and women exchange in different currencies in the sexual marketplace. Akala natin pareho lang ang basehan ng value ng lalaki at babae. So, tayo mga lalaki, we try to compete with looks. Akala natin kapag mas maganda, mas pogi, mas macho or sexy, mas maraming abs or mas malaking boobs, mas mataas yung demand. Siyempre, pag mataas yung demand, mas mataas yung value. Kumbaga, merong misconception that your looks define your value sa sexual marketplace. Kumbaga, the more looks you have, the more, kumbaga, kung mas pogi ka nga, mas mataas yung demand mo. Kumbaga, mas maraming may gusto sa'yo, so mas high value ka. While merong konting factor ito due to cultural and biological accepted standards when it comes to choosing a mate, hindi ito yung main na tinitingnan when it comes to relationship negotiations. Okay? The reality is we trade different things. Men usually trade resources like money, safety, and a good lifestyle for sexual opportunity. While women usually trade sexual opportunity like sexual pleasure and reproductive fertility for resources like safety, provision, commitment, and attention. This is why generally women are valued for what they can provide physically like sexual pleasure and reproductive fertility. And men, on the other hand, are valued for what they can provide like material things, lifestyle, and resources. Kaya meron mga babaeng natatawag na gold diggers. At meron din mga lalaking natatawag na fuckboys. Okay? These are gendered expressions of exploitation in the sexual marketplace. Kumbaga sinasabi ng mga babae, sex lang habol ng mga lalaki at wala nang iba. Tapos sinasabi naman ng mga lalaki, pera lang gusto ng mga babae at wala nang iba. Well, totoo naman na this can happen sa panahon ngayon. But this point proves na merong SMV at merong sexual marketplace. So, meron ka bang narinig na babae na nagko-complain na kahit siya yung nagpro-provide sa lalaki, tapos ayaw pa din makipag-sex ng lalaki? Di ba? Wala naman. Meron ka bang narinig na lalaki nagko-complain na sex lang habol ng babae sa kanya? Wala naman. So, you need to know what your currency is when it comes sa dating marketplace. If you ignore these dynamics at pilit mo pa ding pinapaniwala yung sarili mo na looks lang ang basehan, nasa maling palengke ka. Okay? Lipat ka muna ng ibang planeta, baka may palengke doon. Okay? Your power as a man is in your competence and provision. So stop comparing your looks. What you can do is focus on building your own sustainable world. So kung hindi ka binayaan ng artistang face value, kung hindi ka kamukha ni James Reid, Daniel Padilla, hindi ka binayaan ng height, okay? you can still have, pwede ka pa rin maging high value when it comes to sexual marketplace. Pwede pa rin tumaas yung SMV mo or yung sexual market value mo. This is by focusing on building your own sustainable world. So, in which, ito na yung point number 2 natin. Your life is your value. Okay? Akala natin, attraction is about game or yung mga pick-up lines, routines na sinasabi mo. So, we focus on external techniques. Yun nga, yung mga techniques, mga routine, mga tactics, kung paano ka magugustuhan ng babae. However, ang mas okay na strategy is becoming a king who builds his own kingdom. Yung kingdom mo is your life, your career, your character, your behavior. Kumbaga, ano yung itsura ng buhay mo. Kung hindi mo ginagawa yung sarili mo bilang hari ng mundo mo, you become invisible sa sexual marketplace. Bakit? Because women look for 3 specific things para ma-attract sa isang lalaki. Number 1 is competence. Ibig sabihin, be visibly good at what you do, have skills, at alam mo kung ano yung purpose at direction ng buhay mo. So number 2, confidence. So confidence meaning this is the number 1 thing that makes women attracted to you. Because confidence, Because confidence makes women feel safe. Okay? Natural aphrodisiac 'yan. Kumbaga, yan yung robust passion max nila. Okay? Yan yung pampatigas, yan yung Viagra nila. And that's why being needy is a big turn off sa babae kasi it shows na hindi ka confident sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo palagi yung validation, yung approval niya. Needy ka. Needy ka sa approval and validation niya. So, that's why turn off yun sa mga babae. And next thing is consistency. You show that you are able to take care of things consistently and are willing to stick around for a long time. So, a man who is strong, confident, and make good things happen is the most attractive kind of man. Kung magulo yung kingdom mo, walang gustong pumasok at tumira dyan. Pero kung maganda at interesting yung kingdom mo, maraming babae yung mako-curious at gugustuhin pumasok sa mundo mo. Your focus should be building your own world. Make it nice, exciting, interesting, and full of resources. Meaning magkaroon ka ng mga sarili mong hobbies. Explore mo yung mga interests mo. Experience things. Pursue your passion and purpose. Galingan mo sa buhay at karir mo. Usually, yung mga lalaki hindi masaya sa mundo nila, yun yung mga lalaki na pilit pumapasok sa mundo ng babae. Naghahabol, sobrang needy, sinasabi sa babae na ako'y alipin mo. At yan yung isa sa pinakamalaking attraction killer. Kasi subconsciously, iisipin niya na bakit pilit nito pumapasok sa mundo ko? Hindi ba siya masaya sa mundo niya? Hindi siguro exciting or wala sigurong masyadong resources doon. Okay? Wala sigurong may gusto sa mundo niya. So instead of trying to mold yourself or chase women, make your kingdom better. Be a great king. Siya yung papasukin mo sa mundo mo. In every interaction with women, lead with your confidence, assume your own direction, huwag kang atrasabante. Huwag kang maging performative male na gugustuhin mo lang yung isang bagay dahil gusto ng babae. Have your own life. Let her experience what it looks like sa mundo mo. And siya na yung magde-decide kung gusto niya magstay or hindi. Kung gusto niya magstay sa mundo mo, check muna natin kung maaalagaan ba niya yung mundo mo at mapapaganda pa niya to lalo. Kasi one wrong woman can destroy your kingdom. So be careful, kings. Be careful where you put your dick. Kung ayaw naman niya magstay, kung ayaw naman niya sa mundo mo, let her out. As long as you are building and improving your kingdom and you are showcasing it by putting yourself out there, maraming babae yung mako-curious at gugustuhin umupo dyan sa tabi mo bilang your queen. Okay? So number 3. Punta tayo sa point number 3. Your sexual market value climbs as you age. Okay, ulitin natin. Your sexual market value climb as your age. For girls o para sa mga babae, their value based on being young and physically attractive is usually highest. Okay? Mas mataas kapag mas bata sila. Okay? When they are younger, mas mataas yung SMV nila. And then, it will start to go down as they get older. Pero, sa mga lalaki, a man's value usually starts low when he is young. But it keeps climbing because he gets more resources, status, and competence habang tumatanda. Kaya kung lalaki ka, this growing difference is your biggest advantage. Dahil dito, the best thing a young man can do to increase his value is to spend time becoming better at things, earning more income, and build a powerful life. Invest majority of your time, energy, and money into building your life and character. So, huwag kang magsasayang ng oras sa paghabol ng mga babae. Okay? Be the king, build your own kingdom. So, when you do that, yung babae pa yung hindi mapakali na maging partner mo. Because the default state of a woman is to act. Majority, palaging babae yung gustong-gusto na agad magpakasal or magkaanak to secure the non-sexual resources ng lalaki. Kasi nga, meron silang biological clock. Habang mas bata sila, mas mataas yung SMB nila compared kapag tumanda sila. Yung sex appeal and reproductive fertility ng babae, mas bumababa kapag tumatanda. When that happens, may hirapan na sila makipag-trade sa sexual marketplace. So kung babae ka at naligaw ka sa video na to, para tumaas yung SMV mo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Invest in your physical attractiveness, sa beauty mo, sa fitness mo. Act quickly because the window for a woman to secure a long-term relationship is between the age of 18 and 25. Okay? Another thing, offer an instrumental value. Meaning, meron kang traits and behaviors that shows that you can provide assistance, support, and efforts that is essential to the operation of the man's lifestyle. In Tagalog, mas napapadali mo at napapaganda mo yung current lifestyle at resources ng lalaki. And lastly, if you want a high-value man to stay, you want to provide high-quality sex experience. Ang mga lalaki handang umakyat ng dagat at languyin ang bundok kapag marunong ka ng vacuum seal Glock 3000. Okay? Legit yan. Legit yan. And also, according to studies, men are often more loyal and dedicated to women who offer sexual experiences they cannot find elsewhere. So, kung ikaw ay lalaki, ano currently yung ginagawa mo para maging high-value man? Okay? Drop a comment below para na din makatulong sa mga lalaking nagsisimula pa lang. Also, if you are ready to increase your SMV and become the high-value man, so you can naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons hanggang sila na yung hindi mapakali na maging kayo. I created an on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. Kung ikaw ay palaging nababasted, nare-reject, nafe-friendzone, at natutorpe, click mo lang yung link sa description box. Andun yun. So, check mo na lang. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if marami kang natutunan sa video na to. And I will see you on the next one. Panoorin mo to. Ayan, panoorin mo tong next video na to kasi YouTube, alam ni YouTube kung ano yung mga topics na interesado ka and siya yung nag-generate nito. Dito ba o dito? Ewan ko. Basta may video dyan. Usually, si YouTube yung namimili niyan. Ibig sabihin, yan yung best video for you. So, yun lang. See you on the next one.